this video is basically me going ahead and giving you a beginning of the May garden tour. At the beginning of May, the temperatures are going in and heating up, and new plants are coming in and arriving in our garden centers. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. So guys, let's go ahead and start in the front of my house gardens. So right here is a huge, basically raised bed. We have a few plants in here. I don't quite know all of them, but I recently came here and I did a cutting back of the hostas, but I think because that same day we had a dramatic change in our temperature and it killed these two, so I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can replace these two. This is what the hostas really look like, the foliage. We have two hibiscus at the back. I know that's an agave. There's 4 hostas, and I don't know what the rest. I think these are shrubs. I don't quite know. So moving on, if you haven't seen the recent video where I went ahead and I planted the front of my garden, so today basically right here, this is how they were like. They look a little bit well just because of the heat, because they get direct heat right now, but they're looking pretty good right now. This one's not that wilted, so this is what they look like. Moving on, we're going to the back of my garden. There's been a little bit of few changes in my garden just because we went ahead and installed my shade house. So if you see a little bit of difference, you know, say hello. Ow. So we're gonna take a quick stop before we actually go to the main part and go to my dad's garden. So we have a row of basically pineapples here going in the back of the fence. We even have a mini pineapple already right there, as you can see. So basically, the thing that's basically a tree element right here is a mango tree. But looks like someone has been digging. Yeah, walk away. We got a hanging basket here. I don't know what's the name of this plant, but I decided to do. We got some mangoes here, guys. But moving on to the big area where you're gonna go ahead and see some new stuff. So the first change was these pots. So if you haven't known, on Sunday is Mother's Day. I will film a video for that, and I'm gonna be congratulations that video based on Mother's that day. So basically, I'm starting to decorate this for my mom. I'm gonna think of something where she could come out here, and I'm gonna have this decorated out. I have a basket for her and stuff like that. But yeah, so I have my sunflowers here, which I planted. This one looks like it's ready to burst open, and this one right here, well. So in the pots we have of Sylvia, a begonia, a wishbone flower, and I forgot the name of this, but it's the grass that blooms purple. So entering here, you're gonna go through here, and look, my shade house is in place now. Now my garden's complete. It feels much cooler in here. It's not heated neither, you know, like cooler in here just because it's, what is that? How did that get in here? Jesus, what is that? You see that? It's flying. Get out. What the hell? Let me open it for him. Come on, get out. You have an entry right there. Sir, this is not meant for you. Sir, I need you out. Thank you. Have a good day. Well, it looks like we got someone interrupted, but going back, we have a table here set up with some few plants that I have here. I got some ground orchids here, got a few amaryllis, got a few gladiolas, got a few coleus in the back, some germanias, some caladiums. I got more back down here, coconut trees in the back. This is gonna be evolved in a few days, hopefully. But if you hear that churning on, that's my dad. He's getting ready to leave. But as you can see, I have another pot here, has an iris, petunias around it, and a sweet potato vine. What is this? I got a bean going on. This is a black bean. I'm starting a black bean vine. But I planted tomatoes right here. Looks like some of them were getting chomped on, but got a row of potatoes here that are looking great. Got my rose there. Decided to plant set in my seeds right here. I decided to plant a few things. So I planted cauliflower, broccoli, tomatillo, onions, and spinach. They're looking great. A little bit of less germination in onions and tomatillo on this side, but we have mostly all of them came up here. So, oh Jesus Christ. So, I have a big special surprise. So, in June, or when, like in the beginning of this YouTube channel, you went ahead and saw that I planted dahlias, lilies, and gladiolas and peacock orchids. So those all did well for last year. Then sadly all my dahlia bulbs died, my lily bulbs died. I have some gladiolas on their way, most of them died, peacock orchids as well. But I was over here looking at my tomato, cayenne pepper, jalapeno, mint, rosemary, my big tomato which I'm pruning, my scorpion budget pepper. Then I saw this. I don't know, maybe I be tripping, but this honestly looks like an Asiatic lily bulb, and I think it is. So that's great news. I'm hoping it's either gonna be yellow, red, or white. I hope it's white this time. But yeah, I'm also gonna be planting a few more seeds later on. Pretty sure I have some morning glory, snapdragons. I forgot the other two names, but I'm gonna pop it up in the screen for you. Ooh, camera. But basically, yeah, that's it for this garden tour. So thank you guys for watching my garden tour for May the beginning. I will film an end garden tour for you guys. For now on, I'll try to post daily. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well. And if you don't want to miss none of my videos, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you can go ahead and see all my videos when I go ahead and post some out. And also make sure to see my recent videos to make sure to keep your gardening flourishing and producing for you. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.